Check out this guy's license plate. Is that awesome or what? This dent. It's a door dent right there. He is going to fix this door dent. And I want to see how it looks before and after. Okay, my sir.
Close, we're gonna get it.
That is looking pretty good. Where is it? Where is it? It was right.
Yeah, right where that.
It was right.
Where that mark's at.
Because that's where the thing was. It's pretty good. Let's see how smooth it is.
Yeah, word of mouth. That's the way I advertise. I did have a website, and I used to letter up my van, but word of mouth has been my best deal. All right, you're set.
Oh, good.
Thanks, Shannon.
Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome anytime. Yeah, it came out great. Yeah, I can't even. You really look hard for it.
Yeah, I think it
That
looks good.
straight there.
I think it looks good.
Cool. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
So it was there. This dent. It's no longer there.